For a campaign that is starting up, sending a good number of emails and responding to messages is a very easy task. But as the campaign grows and develops, the number of emails being sent increases to numbers that are impossible to manage manually. For whatever reason, if you are sending thousands of emails per day, you need a software to manage this task for you. The great news is that there are many such software today, but Aweber seems to be one of the leading choices. What is Aweber? Aweber is a web-based software that helps you manage your email list. Many online marketers are using it to communicate with their customers because of its convenient features like the Autoresponder and integration options. Features of Aweber: Autoresponder. For anyone looking for an email managing software, the main reason is to find software that reduces the task of corresponding with subscribers considerably. Aweber excels at this task beyond measures thanks to the Autoresponder feature. This feature gives you the power to manage your email list like never before. You can use the programmable timer to send emails at preset intervals automatically. The messages can be sent to target certain subscribers according to the conditions that you define. For example, you can program the software to send an automatic welcome email to any new subscriber, then schedule follow-up emails after a couple of days or weeks. You could even target your most active subscribers to keep them engaged or to offer them special offered products. All this is done automatically by the Aweber Autoresponder function. To make it even better, the software comes with over 150 message templates that you can choose from for your email campaigns. The emails are customizable, so you can edit them to add your own personal touch. It's even possible to draft your own templates and save them. Integration. Every online campaign depends on engaging the audience and building valid email lists. Aweber has multiple integration options that make it possible to provide email subscription options for customers on various internet platforms. For example, you could add your own email subscription forms on different websites, blogs, and social media pages. That way, people can sign up easily. It's also possible to integrate Aweber with shopping cart tools, making it possible to collect new subscribers and grow your list from real customers who just made a purchase. Analytics and report. Email marketers are obsessed with analytics and statistics. They want to see what is working and what is not. Insights on marketing campaigns are very important in that they let you know how subscribers and customers are behaving with regards to your campaign. Aweber has a function that allows you to monitor exactly how clients are interacting with your emails. You can see how many of your subscribers engage with your emails, when they engage, and if they clicked on your links or not. You can also sort the data according to location. That way you're able to get a demographic insight to your email campaigns. This kind of data is vital in running successful email campaigns. You could click the link below to get a free 30-day trial. They provide excellent customer support and help. Aweber software comes with an incredible customer support service for both new and old subscribers. The software comes with a tutorial section that is loaded with video tutorials, webinars for new users who need help, or lessons on email campaigns. This means that someone who is completely new to email marketing can actually learn and be able to run a successful campaign thanks to the tutorials of Aweber. There's a live support for customers that need customized help, but this service is only available during business hours. Aweber and autoresponders. Other features of Aweber include high volume sending, import and export tools, and API support. Pricing. Subscriptions to Aweber come in various packages. You have an option of choosing a monthly subscription that starts off at $19 per month, or a quarterly subscription that starts out for $49 per quarter, or a yearly subscription starting off at $149 per year. The plans can be upgraded depending on the number of contacts you need. They also offer a free 30-day trial of their service so you can test it out and see if this can work for your business. The pros and cons. Pros: unlimited emails, competitive prices, and great customer support. Cons: the importing tools can still be improved. Currently, the software cannot import from third-party address books, something that many marketers have complained about. The bottom line, Aweber is an affordable email management software that has very useful function. The ability to use and store email templates, coupled with the Autoresponder function, makes for convenient email campaigning.